February 27, 2026 Afternoon News Summary, New York Time, covering 12 noon to 6 evening. Don't forget to subscribe before we start, so you don't miss out on the latest international news. News 1, UN Security Council demands Gaza ceasefire. The UN Security Council passed a resolution demanding an immediate ceasefire in Gaza for the month of Ramadan. The United States abstained from the vote, allowing the measure to pass, marking a significant shift in its diplomatic stance and increasing pressure on Israel. News 2, Fed's preferred inflation metric meets forecasts. The U.S. core PCE price index rose 0.3% month-over-month and 2.8% year-over-year for January, aligning with expectations. The data reinforced the Federal Reserve's patient stance on interest rate cuts, with markets now pricing in a June start for easing. News 3, yen weakens past 151 per dollar, intervention watch intensifies. The Japanese yen depreciated to 151.25 against the US dollar, its weakest level since late 2025. The move triggers heightened speculation about potential currency intervention by Japanese authorities to stem the decline. News 4, European inflation falls more than expected. The Eurozone's flash harmonized index of consumer prices, HICP, rose 2.5% year-over-year in February, down from 2.8% in January and below the 2.7% forecast. The data strengthens the case for the European Central Bank to begin cutting rates in June. News 5, oil prices surged 3% on geopolitical tensions. Brent crude futures jumped over 3% to $84.50 per barrel following the UN ceasefire resolution and reports of fresh attacks on shipping in the Red Sea, highlighting ongoing supply disruption risks. News 6, NATO announces major Eastern Flank military exercise. NATO's Secretary-General announced Steadfast Defender 2026, a large-scale military exercise involving over 40,000 troops, set to begin in Poland and the Baltics next month, aimed at deterring aggression. News 7, tech stocks lead market rally on AI optimism. Major U.S. indices climbed, led by a 2.5% surge in the Nasdaq Composite, following strong earnings guidance from a leading semiconductor firm citing robust demand for AI-related hardware. That's all for today's news. See you next time.